What up? You already know what it is. J Flame NC of Outside TV, the wizard behind the scenes. What y'all see right here is my new John 2017 JK Sport. Last Jeep, as you seen in the clip before this, were highlights of my last one. Give me little problems here and there. Got tied up pretty much, so I just bounced back with this new one. It's clean, pretty stock. Ain't nothing on it, so what y'all about to see is how I rebuild this one from the ground up. Y'all gonna take a walk with me, see how I do this the outsider's way. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share, all that. Yeah.